MT3 UK. Warning, quick wheel clean demo. See, these wheels are quite dusty just from braking and roadies. And you'll see what it looks like after we've given it a little clean with this Bilt Hamber auto wheel. Okay, give it a quick spray and then you leave it for 30 seconds and it starts to go this colour, which is picking up the dirt. Also comes in it with a little brush. Good to get into the corners. Yeah. Just using the brush, just get into these corners and around in these gaps in between any corners, and you're spreading it around like this. Pretty simple. Rinse off and that's it. Look how clean they are. Good stuff. Bilt Hamber auto wheel. Get some.